Good day. So in the welding shop, right, is a basic simple process of joining two pieces of metal together using this E6013 welding electrode, right? So we have two pieces of mild steel that we'll be joining together, like a T-joint, right? And that is basically it in the welding shop. Now, other than welding a piece of metal together, we also have to follow safety procedures, right? So when you come in the welding shop, normally you'll get a face mask, safety glasses, and welding gloves, right? And all these must be worn when you're by the table when you weld, right? And that's basically it with regards to the safety. There's not much you need to know other than when you welded and the processes and everything. So my colleague, Mr. Wendell Bowen, he would actually go through the whole process of doing the weld and guiding you accordingly.
This project you all have to do, call it T-joint, right? 2F T-joint. Basically, two pieces of mild steel flat strip, 1/4 flat. Take the two pieces, you tap them as a T, call it T-joint, right? So you tap the both ends. So when you start the weld, it wouldn't distort, right? Tap the both ends. In order to do a proper T-joint, 4 points you must observe. One, your amperage. According to the size of the electrode you're using, you set your amperage to so. Second point is the speed of travel. Car travel too slow, the bead will be bulky. Car travel too fast, it will be too thin and that will be strong. Third point is the angle. You need an angle like 70 to 80 degrees, right? And the last but not least is what they call the arc length. The arc length is the distance between the electrode and the base plate. So that will be the distance between the electrode and the T-joint. Now, the thing with the arc length is that you don't really see it, you have to listen. It sounds like a bushfire or a crackling sound. You know about crackling, you find an egg out of that sound? They call that arc length. Once you get the arc length, the next step is to maintain it throughout the bead. Because whilst you're running your bead, the electrode melting because it's in on the base plate, so you need to travel, keep dropping your hand slowly to maintain that sound. Do it until you lose the sound, then drop your hand. Your bead will have a certain bit of hole. You don't need that, right? You need a nice smooth bead. Right? So what I'm going to do here, turn the machine, set the electrode to sit, on all my safety gears, and run a proper bead. Okay? Safety first thing. And any workshop you're going to, with grinding and filing and cutting, you need to always wear your safety glasses. Secondly, you pay your glove. Because, you know, as a visitor at a welding shop especially, they might come and they see something, and touch it. Burn your hand. So when if you're inquisitive, go go and hold it. So, you know, heat up. Then you hold it. Don't just go in any welding shop and grab a control anyway. Right? So as I say, using 180 electrode, amperage already set to 125. All that two for size electrode. Now you ground your negative electrode holder. You squeeze and make sure the core wire insert into the hole. Right? If you squeeze and it insert the flux, you won't get no ground. You won't get no spark, right? That will be insulated. So you squeeze, make sure the core wire enters there. Right. What I'll do, I won't put on the machine, the machine off. I'll show you a demonstration how you do before I really start the actual bead. Now as beginners, we encourage the students, don't start directly on the job because there's no practice, there's not a welder. It will stick, spark up on you, all kind of thing, you don't need that. So what you do, strike off the plate, form your arc, and then you travel slowly. This is the line you're working with there, and maintain your angle, keep your distance, the crackling sound, and it travels slow along the line. See center, it travels slow. Maintain your angle. Don't start here, and when you reach down there, your angle like this, or your angle like that. Try and maintain your angle. Right? And next thing, they don't stand up quite here, and well, because time your electrode reach here, it will be difficult for you to move your foot because the electrode gets short. So stand at a reasonable distance, and you come at eyes. What your average way when because you don't see in your eye, in your hand, right? You wouldn't see anything. So you have the average, say eyes, everybody look cover the eyes, then you strike up. So I'm going to put on the machine and we'll do the actual work. Machine on. That's it. Eyes, and we start. Right. So you hook it up here. Secure the machine. What they call, well, this is our homemade design. Turn to the other side. Or the other way, both side. Right? Both side. Make sure now, start back the machine. Machine on. So you're going, right? So you see after the first beat, you see how much electrodes are remaining, right? Because I'm not traveling too fast. If you travel fast, your electrode will be all here. So you go around your eyes. Squeeze. Now you take your chip and hammer. And the chip will be no. You don't go around chipping while because this block hot usually fly can fall in your glove, stick on your neck. So what you do is chip gently away from you, right? See there? And you chip gently away from you. And you're taking off the flux. There is it, right? Simple, you don't need to pump hand. So you got your blade and you follow the instruction. And you take what you call a wire brush or a steel brush. And you clean your bead. Right? And that is a bead here. And your project there is where you're marking it, right? That is a bead, both sides, and that is a T-joint. You have 3 sessions to do it, and that is about it, okay? So thank you for visiting the workshop.